Welcome to this video on building a successful career in SAP Finance, specifically focused on opportunities within the Texas Economic Hub. We will explore how mastering this platform can open doors to professional growth. Advanced ERP solutions are redefining financial management. While traditional accounting often relied on manual, siloed processes, modern organizations are adopting SAP S/4HANA. This transition is driving a surge in demand for specialized SAP finance expertise across all major industries. SAP Finance, or FI, is the foundational module for managing organizational financial transactions. It serves as the digital ledger of the modern enterprise, driving automation of daily accounting processes, ensuring record-keeping accuracy, and enabling real-time management reporting for executive decision-making. Financial data acts as the central nervous system of an enterprise. Through seamless integration, SAP Finance connects with other modules like controlling, materials management, human capital management, sales, and production planning, requiring professionals to understand end-to-end business operations. Texas stands out as a prime ecosystem for this expertise. As a massive business hub, the state relies on SAP solutions to power complex operations across diverse sectors, including energy, technology, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, and finance. There are multiple pathways into this field. Whether you are a fresh graduate, a certified accountant looking to modernize your toolset, or a professional looking to pivot your career, foundational accounting knowledge combined with structured training can bridge the technical gap. To become a job-ready consultant, you must build proficiency across 3 architectural pillars: foundational operations, advanced control and reporting, and next-gen technology and integration, including SAP Fiori and S/4HANA. The Universal Journal in SAP S/4HANA is the new gold standard, creating a single, real-time source of truth for financial data. A comprehensive training program ensures you gain hands-on mastery of this functionality. Theory is important, but practical execution is what creates a job-ready professional. Our progression moves from basic concepts to real-world business scenarios, hands-on assignments, and case studies, leading you to peak capability in live business environments. Earning your SAP Finance certification unlocks a wide array of high-trajectory roles. Opportunities range from consulting and functional roles to system support and financial analytics, providing significant room for professional growth. To bridge the gap to employment, a comprehensive placement ecosystem is key. This includes providing environment access, applied experience through live projects, professional resume preparation, and active support for market deployment. When evaluating your training options, look for a partner that offers an updated curriculum, a hands-on learning environment, real-world project experience, and full-cycle career support. Choose an institute that combines rigor with practical experience to ensure your success in the SAP ecosystem.